The history of herbs. Tulasi. Tulasi, also known as holy basil, is a scarce plant in the Hindu tradition. Hindus regard it as an earthly manifestation of the goddess Tulasi Devi. She is regarded as the avatar of Lakshmi, and thus the consort of the god Vishnu. The Tulasi plant is regarded as the holiest of all plants, and is thought to be a threshold plant between heaven and earth. A traditional prayer narrates that the creator god Brahma resides in its branches. All Hindu pilgrimage centers resides in its roots. All deities are in its stem and leaves, and the most scarce Hindu texts, the Vedas, are found in the upper part of the holy basil's branches. Tulasi has been used in Ayurvedic and Siddha practices for its supposed treatment of diseases. For centuries, the dried leaves have been mixed with stored grains to repel insects. The essential oil may have properties against plant parasites. The Tulasi herb is the center of household religious devotion, particularly among women, and is referred to as the woman's deity, and a symbol of wifehood and motherhood. It is also called the central sectarian symbol of Hinduism, and is considered as the manifestation of God in the plant kingdom. Vaishnavish traditionally used japa malas, a string of Hindu prayer beads made from Tulasi stems or roots called Tulasi malas, which are an important symbol of the initiation. Indian mythology attaches a great significance to Tulasi by recognizing actual health applications of the herb. Its use is recommended as a first aid in the treatment of respiratory, digestive, and skin diseases. Apart from these common ailments, Ayurveda also recognizes its use for diseases ranging up to tumorous growths. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs, brought to you by Dherbs.com.